So the American presidential election was last night. I know a lot of people are feeling a lot of different kinds of ways. Just know that I respect you. I respect people with different opinions. I respect our democracy. In fact, the only people that I don't respect are the people that didn't vote at all. I feel like the consequence for not voting should be you just get forever haunted by someone who died for your right to vote. With that being said though, I am not confused at all about my role on the internet. It's not to judge you or preach at you or anything like that. The best thing to do today is to just make the world a little bit less serious. What do you say? So what I decided to do has been a long time coming. I have 2 dogs of the same breed, and you know what? I'm gonna marry them. I've been thinking about it for a while. Today seems like the perfect day to just bring everybody together with some love, right? Weddings make everybody so happy. Just remind you that love is what life is about and that it's gonna be fine. We need some love right now. Don't cry, craft. I love you, Danville. So the first thing I'm gonna do, obviously, is focus on the bride. I got some tulle, I got some other tulle, and this beautiful lace. Oh, you're gonna be so pretty, baby girl. Wow. What if we just make you a head hole? Getting fitted for your dress is hard, huh? We're gonna do that? Wow, Peachy, good girl. Peachy, it's like you know the deal, huh? This isn't your first rodeo, is it? We can just leave that for your train. I mean, that's pretty, right? I mean, how do you want to feel on your wedding day?
Oh my goodness.
Just gonna mark it a little bit, okay? What do you think? Over or under your dress? Hey, Peachy, Peach. Oh my God, runaway bride. Some of you may be thinking to yourselves, well, what exactly is Marble's role in all of this? I was going back and forth between having him be the flower girl or being the one that actually marries them. I think I want him to marry them because although he would make a beautiful flower girl, you know, he's kind of an important role in their lives. He's like their alpha, so it makes more sense. Please work, please work. All right, why don't I cut this in half because this is ridiculous for a dog. 1 layer regular, 1 layer hollow. So another fun fact about Peach and Kermit is that they came from the same breeder. And although they aren't like brother and sister or like Kermit isn't her dad, Kermit's dad is like the stud. So like Kermit came and then like after another couple litters, then was Peachy's litter. So he's probably like her distant uncle. So this is technically incest. It's okay. I'm not here to judge them, you know? And your dogs. So like, who am I to say? So here's her dress so far. I'm gonna work on Weechi's accessories, but time is of the essence. We're having a day wedding and I'm feeling the stress. Oh God. We're gonna make you a little necklace. And I got you this. We're gonna make you a little flower crown. That's so pretty, Weechi. And then let's do some of this. Now I'm gonna work on the things that are a little more time consuming, like the outside. The actual wedding venue itself needs to get made. So I'm gonna go do that. Bought this like trellis because we wanna make it look nice. We're just gonna spray paint it. That looks pretty nice. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry. Very bridal, much wedding, yes. We have a bunch of fake orchids. We're gonna try and put on this trellis that we already shoved into the ground and is disgusting. Is this crazy?
No and yes.
It just feels like the right thing to do.
Making a mess business. Hire me to make your wedding, but you clean up my fucking mess. Now it looks beautiful and ready
nice.
for a wedding.
Put it back up. So when the sun sets, it's gonna be coming from that way, so we wanted to make it so we could still see. We're gonna have a little like runway. Might have to move our kale because you're in the way. They're gonna get married like right there. So we gotta decorate that. We gotta figure out something that Marble can sit on to marry them. I mean, this is looking pretty dope. Let's do it! We're getting down to the wire here. Most of the chairs are now outside getting ready for your wedding. We gotta make you a tux. Thinking I could put the tux part like right there. Like he's just wearing a cape. Like that looks kind of nice though, Kern. You're done with your fitting for now. Wow, I mean, you look fucking nice.
Thanks. I brought all my wedding attire.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't think you knew how to do a tie.
You learn something new every day. It's not very good, but I do know the basics of it. What does the tuxedo look like? Hot glued this tuxedo on there. I mean, it's pretty cute. I'm hoping that it looks right.
Oh my God.
That looks good,
That
right?
looks really good.
So we just made a game time call, and we realized that if we made Marble a tux also, it like takes away from Kermit's special day. So we're just gonna have him wear a bow tie, right? I mean, he's already wearing a tuxedo basically, so. He's like a little penguin.
Yeah. You guys ready for the wedding?
Are you guys ready for the wedding? Today's the day, baby girl. You're getting married. big, beautiful gown. Stunning. Oh my goodness, you look beautiful, Peach. Are you ready? The man of your dreams, huh, baby girl? You're not supposed to be here.
You ready for your big day? A special day, special outfit. It's the most important one you'll ever wear. You look so handsome. You're gonna remember today forever. Or you might forget it, but it's important.
Okay, can you stay?
Is he marrying them?
Yeah. No, you stay. Marble, stay. Come on, bud.
Stop.
Come on, honey.
10.
Come on. Come on. It's time, bud. Kermit, come. Kermit, come. Kermit, come. You gotta wait for her, bud. Kermit, stay here, bud. I know, he's so excited. Wow, wow. Don't cry. Don't cry. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here on this beautiful day to witness the union of Peach and Kermit in holy matrimony. This is a day of great celebration, of which we come together before the universe to recognize and commemorate the sacred love and dedication shared between these two dogs. Who gives this bride today?
I do.
Tight. If there's anyone in attendance who has cause to believe this couple should not be joined in marriage, you may speak now or forever hold your peace. We good? Tight. Peach and Kermit, learn to work together, to laugh together, and to love together. The sacred vows that you make to one another today present with the opportunity to express your love in your own words. I would at this time invite you to publicly declare these vows. I love you, Kermit. You're my favorite uncle. You smell good and I would like to keep smelling you forever. Please face one another and join hands. Peach, do you take Kermit to be your lawfully wedded husband? Do you promise to honor him, love him, be sensitive to his needs, to comfort him in difficulty and put your full and complete trust in him, so long as you both shall live? I do. Okay, Kermit, do you take Peach to be your lawfully wedded wife? Do you promise to honor her, love her, be sensitive to her needs, to comfort her in difficulty, and to put your full and complete trust in her, so long as you both shall live? I do. Peach, give Kermit this ring as a symbol of your love and commitment. With this ring, I thee wed. Tight. Kermit, give Peach this ring as a symbol of your love and commitment. With this ring, I thee wed. Tight. By the power vested in me and the state of California, I pronounce you Peach and Kermit, husband and wife, lawfully wedded. Kermit, you may now kiss the bride. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Kermit and Peach. Wow, you did it! I'm so excited for you. Wow, guys.
Thank you all. The reception will be inside.
I mean, that's really it. So, I mean, this is what I did with my time today. I would like to thank all of my friends for being here. Kayla, Jay Walker, Chris Melberger, Shan, and Snake, who we roped into filming for us. I hope all of you feel like you were in the presence of true love and it wasn't incesty at all. Subscribe!
Did you like the wedding?
It was beautiful.
Yeah.
I had a previous relationship with Peach, but like I'm glad to see she's moved on. I really feel like we're still gonna hang out though.
Oh my god!